So here we are at the test. I have this new battery kit here. I have 3 batteries that are all fully charged, and I'm going to insert them in the GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, run them all at the same time in record mode, start my timer there, and then we see what battery lasts longer, what camera lasts longer. This is all 3 the same batteries. Now, what battery lasts longer is the question, and let me reset the timer here. Yeah, and let's see how this works. All cameras are on 1080p. So let's take those out. Yeah, they're all on 1080p. They all leave the screen on. I don't know how this goes with overheating. That's why I use 1080p. GPS is all off. Networks are off. So yeah, let's see what camera performs better. There we go. We turn them all on at the same time. There. And the start here. Okay, so now we have all 3 running at the same time, okay? So let's do this here. There shows the timer. That one shows the timer. This one is pointing towards the timer. Here's my charger. While the charger is here, I'm gonna charge my batteries in here. You know, they're not empty or what. But I mean, while I'm here, I'm gonna do the charge here. And yeah, then we let this run, and this will take a long time. All of them have those LEDs on, so when the LEDs stop blinking, then we know the batteries are dead. They all are in the same orientation. And what can go wrong? So I'm going to fast forward this now until the first camera turns off, then fast forward until the second goes off, and then fast forward until the third goes off. And then on the timer here, on the stopwatch, you see how many minutes what camera does. And I hope that my main camera here is running the whole time and doesn't have an issue with that, with running that long, and that there is enough memory left on my card. I'm recording with 180p, 60 frames a second with a recording camera, and all those here go 24 frames a second. So, alright, then let's go for this, and maybe I play some music here.